Hey everyone, this is Joey at Alpha Mortgage Advantage, and I thought I would bring up a topic today that is probably one of the most complained about things, or the topic that I get the most complaints from clients when it comes to doing a loan, and that's bank statements. We as lenders generally have to collect at minimum 1 month, 30 days worth of bank statements, sometimes up to 2 months, sometimes even a little farther back, just depending on the situation. But it's something that we're required by U.S. law. We actually have to look. It's not just us wanting that, but the law actually states we have to look through bank statements and determine where the money for a transaction is coming from. And this is where things like cash deposits or money being transferred from a parent, things like that. Cash deposits are never available. Sometimes money from parents or friends, things like that, that's going to be considered a gift might be usable. But we are legally required to go through and look and see where all large deposits are coming from. It's anti-money laundering, anti-terrorism laws that are in place. And when it comes to a bank statement, we need some pretty specific things. It can't be an activity report over the last 30 days. It's really got to be the official statement that your bank gives you, and all banks are required to give you like an official every 30 or 31 day bank statement that it's always downloadable as a PDF from your bank account. We also have a really cool tool though called verification of assets from a service called Finicity that we use a lot, and almost all banks are on it. So I can essentially just send you a link. You go on, log into your online bank account. You can log into multiple banks if you have accounts with multiple banks. And this service will create one nice, easy to use statement and sends it back to me. It doesn't give us access or anything like that. It's just, it makes it really, really easy for us to collect that info. Additionally, it helps us because we can go for a period of time afterwards, usually, I think it's about 90 days afterwards, we can refresh. We can just hit a button and it refreshes that report with up-to-date information. This is really helpful because when you write checks for due diligence and earnest money on a house, we have to show that money coming out of your account. So rather than having to ask you for updated statements, we can just hit a button and it comes to us automatically. So it makes things really easy. As always, anyone has any questions about bank statements or anything mortgage related, feel free to reach out. You can message me on social media, or my direct number is 910-250-8888. Thanks so much.